The crib gone bad with that head. Damn lie, damn baby. But it's me out when they say that on this on that. I'm trying to relax. I'm trying to relax.
I saw that. It was off, Aiden.
It's on. I think. Yeah, it's on. It's on. It's on. It's on. All right, let's go. Hold up. It didn't even fix it. Avoid the ball. Ah! No! Wow, me and these three don't even know. How did they get to the top? And Effie is remaining. How did they go for there? Where? How do you get over there? I can't jump that. Oh! I'm so glad. Whoa! Bruh, they're cheating. How are you doing that?
I'm purple.
Purple looking.
Doing what?
They're going so fast.
Bruh.
Exactly. Bruh. Seriously? Bro, how is this guy so good? Bro, get everything. Yes, I got everything. Almost everything. I was in second place. Let's go with 165 points. I got that much, right?
I got 160.
Watch out for the raining bombs. Oh! Aha, that's what you get.
Robux coming through. Robux.
Well, I want some. Oh, gosh. I already have some, but I only have 13 left. If you stand out on the edge, they can't go to the edge, so perfectly safe. Unless they roll to the edge. Oh, yep, they can roll to the edge. Help. Oh, that is a big one. Ah. So much.
I'm green, Aiden.
I'm green. No, you're blue. Green.
No, I'm actually green, Aiden.
That's blue green.
Are you sure?
That's blue green. Okay, everything is possible. I was getting good. How do you get on top of it? I think you can. Right? Yes. Go. Yeah. Oh, I'm so close. I'm doing so good. Doing so good. Yes, I got all of them. Get to the top. How do you? Oh, I have to go on these. It's an obby.
I'm pretty good at obbies.
There we go.
Not that good.
I'm gonna try again.
Let's go. I'll go to the top.
To my left. Can you buy gravity coil? Okay, apparently can't. Oh, that's speed coil. Stupid. Can go up to. What the heck? Can go up to a bank. The flex of your money is 160. I have 282. You have 289. Oh, didn't see. I fell. What the flip? Oh, there goes that. Oh, they're credits. If I had 23 and I could have got 300. Go fast! When I run, I feel like I get taller. You can't even jump that high when you're running. That's not even that fast. I'm trying to follow you. Try and lose me. Where'd you go? Here you are. I see you. I'm still following you. Get all rob the bank. Alright. Dun 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 dun.
Watch out.
Dun 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 dun. Get everything! Escape the bank, boys! Let's go, boys! Go, go, go. Go, go, go. Go! Oh, jumping over the bags!
Dang it.
Go, 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 boys! Oh. Yes, let's go. Yeah! I escaped with the loot. That's only 5. Are you serious? I'm gonna be the bottom person. Yo! Who's still left? Oh, wait, you didn't. Come on, children. Come on. Oh, you get to start again. Oh, it's gonna. Quick, go. Yay, you did. Is there anybody else in there?
Pizza!
Oh. Yes, let's go. I busted. What? I jumped, you dumb butt. I can't.
You're the only one left, Aiden. Aiden, you're the only one left.
I was doing so good. Yeah, I was doing it because I'm so good at it. Like, I eat balls, you know?
So big.
I'm hiding behind things. Can't get me, balls, dudes. But, bruh, I'm gonna keep spawning and touching the snowballs. Bro. No, don't press the button. Hurry to the ground. Hurry. Hi. No, my bugs are stuck. Yeah. What the? I spawned and I'm in the bucket thingy.
Hey.
What the fuck? Stupid thing.
Around this thing.
Whoa. Sweet fathead's gonna get little, bruh.
Help Sam find present.
Oh, yo. You click on there or something?
All the presents.
Press it. Watch out! He has a sword! Somebody's been fun, but I've known you for so long, brother. Don't leave me. Help! Yelling, bro.
Bruh.
I can get to the top. Let's go! Okay, who? Daniel 500 me. Let's see.
Oh my gosh. Okay,
Let's go.
Last round.
Yeah. Yeah.
Bro.
This is so like not even hard, bro. Like,
Look at this. How did they make this?
holy. This is so, bro.
Sorry.
Yes.
Sorry. And I
Let's
thought
go.
you said last round.
Guys, down here.
Where? I think you.
Oh, you can't go down there.
Bro.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, well.
All right, let's see the next one, guys. This time, this one was short. So I had to figure out when to end it. Make sure hit that subscribe button. Support us.
Yeah.
Make sure to leave a like on the video. Yeah. Hit that. Turn on post notifications so you won't miss an upload tomorrow, or maybe we'll upload another one today.
And like and subscribe to us.
It'll really help us out, guys.
We're almost at 100.
So far, we're at 88 subscribers. But we will get higher, and soon we will have 100. And then, our goal is basically 1,000. But we will do it. I promise you guys.
Bye, guys.
Bye!
Wait, what? Reach the end, only one bridge is saved.